There are certain seasons in life where the crowd fades away. Seasons where it's just you, a desk, and a massive mountain of work to climb. Don't fear the isolation. When you aren't constantly trying to prove your worth to others, you save massive amounts of mental energy. The quietest rooms often hold the loudest breakthroughs. While others are out chasing temporary distractions, you are building a permanent foundation. This isn't loneliness, it's a deliberate filter to protect your potential. Let the hours accumulate in secret. Fall in love with the unglamorous repetitions, the raw practice, the deep focus, the quiet discipline. The work speaks for itself. You don't need applause to validate your progress. Keep your head down, trust the grind, and let your results make the noise when the time is right. Track your progress, build quiet consistency, follow for more insights.